Kumusta? Who we are. We are a community of like-minded people with the purpose of providing opportunities for growth on leadership and self-mastery through community learning. Unang kailangan natin ma-educate, ano ba ang wealth? Sabi ni Henry David Thoreau, wealth is the ability to experience life. Kailangan natin maintindihan na ang wealth ay may 5 aspeto na dapat lahat gumagana for you to achieve fulfillment in life. Aspeto ng financial, physical, relational, intellectual, at spiritual. Kaya naglabas kami ng mga free seminars online para makahelp to spread self-awareness. We talks about health, relationship, money, and life purpose. Para I prepare ang lahat to embrace change happening to our life. We also have live seminars like Boundless, Unleash Advanced Leadership Course and Success Camp to promote transformational growth to experience one's potential. Our basis is personal mastery and commitment to be 100% all the time. Right character molded over a structured training program. Madami kaming programa, but for now, let's talk about health. Welcome to Kairos World. Simulan natin ito sa isang tanong. What are the leading causes of death here sa Philippines? Ayon sa Philippine Statistic Authority, as of March 2022, number 1 daw killer is ischemic heart disease or heart attack. 2 and is stroke. 3 RD is cancer. COVID-19 is only number 6. Pag-usapan natin ang heart attack, ito daw ay related sa sakit na atherosclerosis or pagbabara ng ugat. Ito din ay tinatawag na silent killer. Meron daw stages ang pagbabara from normal to complete blockage. Ang tanong, anong stage ka? From type 1 to type 6. Kung makikita natin, halos di na makaflow ang dugo if type 6. And big problem ito. Meron daw sintomas ang katawan if may blockage ang ugat. 1 chest pain, 2 shortness of breath, 3 nausea, 4 sweating, 5 heart palpitation, 6 fainting or pagkahilo. What will happen if there's problem in blood flow? Worst is heart attack or stroke, but the biggest problem is magkano gastos sa hospital. Ayon sa GMA News, ang coronary artery bypass procedure nagkakahalaga ng 494,000 to 725,000, kung heart valve replacement naman 602,000 to 903,000. Ang tanong, may naipon ka pang hospital? Good thing may libreng pamamaraan, disiplina lang ang need mo. Ang tawag dyan, HOPE, meaning healthy lifestyle, optimistic mindset, plan your diet, and exercise regularly. Ang problema, libre na nga hindi pa ginagawa. Good thing natuklasan ang trans-resveratrol, isang sustansya na extracted sa red wine and balat ng grapes. Pinamunuan ang pagtuklas nito ni Dr. David Sinclair ng Harvard University. Sa experiment na ginawa nila,
now scientists across the country have identified a substance in red wine called resveratrol that they believe might do more than just protect the heart, but could, in very high concentrations, significantly extend life by preventing a number of age-related illnesses.
How much red wine would you have to drink to get the kind of resveratrol that you're using?
The sad news is that you'd need to drink about 1,000 bottles a day of red wine, which I don't recommend.
Resveratrol has been tested on mice and the results have been encouraging. In this test video provided by Certris, both of the mice have been fed a high-fat diet for 12 weeks. But when placed on a treadmill, the mouse on the right ran twice as far. He was taking high concentrations of resveratrol.
You have fat mice, and you have fat mice with resveratrol, and the ones that are on resveratrol, they can run twice as far, and they live longer, about 20% longer.
Other studies showed that among mice fed a high-fat diet, those given resveratrol didn't gain as much weight as those not given the drug. Sinclair believes that resveratrol actually changes the physiology of the mice. The proof, he says, is in the post-mortem.
Their organs looked pristine, youthful, fat-free, and their physiology was just like they were dieting, but they were fat.
Convinced they were on the right path, they fast-tracked the drug into human trials on people with untreated diabetes, and the results were impressive. It significantly lowered glucose and insulin levels without the patients changing their diet or taking any other drugs.
Originally, our hope was that you'd be able to prevent diseases of aging. What we ended up seeing is actually you could therapeutically intervene in patients who have diseases of aging, and that was unexpected. Yeah, the diabetic patients have high blood sugar, and the molecules bring it down. That's treatment, that's not prevention.
Resveratrol defends against oxidative stress.
Ang trans-resveratrol is considered na nootropic supplement, meaning may direktang epekto pag-control ng simptomas na nararamdaman, lalo na sa may mga high blood. Ang Transvera na brand name ng trans-resveratrol ay nakakatulong mag-prevent ng damage sa blood vessels, reduce cholesterol, and prevent blood clot. Improves arterial elasticity, helps decrease oxidative stress, ensures that blood and oxygen continuously flow throughout the body. It helps to heal wounds faster. It keeps your brain sharp and keeps your heart healthy. Helps give your complexion a natural-looking skin. Ayon sa clinical study ng Transvera, it is rapidly absorbed 45 minutes after ingestion and stored in the body up to 360 minutes or 6 hours. Also, 62% increase in dilation diameter ng mga ugat after taking 30 ml of Transveras. Taking Transvera for 45 days can lower the plaque formation that causes atherosclerosis, 100% vegetarian. And bioavailable, micronized form for optimal absorption, and 30 mg capsule of Transvera is equivalent to 10 bottles of red wine without effective drunkenness. Kaya naglabas kami ng mga programa for optimal health. Ito ay pinubuo ng 10 bote ng Transvera na ang goal is within 90 days, ibalik ang ganda ng mga ugat at blood flow mo. Ang tawag dito ay family package na nagkakahalaga ng 12,088. Kasama sa pagsuporta sa pag-inom ay ma-educate ang lahat about sa health. Sa pag-attend sa mga online health seminars natin, at isa si Dr. Robert Nabalta sa nag-endorso ng Transvera sa mga pasyente niya.
Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Dr. Robert R. Nabalta. Ako po ay matagal nang gumagamit ng natural na supplement na Transvera. Ito po ay ibinabahagi ko rin sa aking mga pasyente. Iniinom ko ito kasama ng aking asawa at ng aking mga mahal sa buhay. Ang unang benepisyo po ng Transvera ay tumutulong po ito sa pagpapaayos ng ating blood circulation sapagkat buong katawan natin ay dinadaluyan ng dugo. Simula sa ating utak, sa mata, sa puso, sa kidney, sa liver, sa ating buong katawan ay meron pong blood circulation. Kapag maayos po ang blood circulation, ay magiging healthy po ang mga cells sa ating mga ugat, sa ating mga organs, at nagkakaroon po ng magandang oxygenation o pagkakaroon ng magandang oxygen sa iba't ibang bahagi ng ating katawan. Sa pamamagitan po nito, nakakatulong po ito bilang prevention sa maraming karamdaman, kagaya ng heart attack, ng stroke, ng diabetes, ng cancer, na sa panahon ngayon ay ayaw natin magkaroon sapagkat mahal po ang magkasakit. Kaya po naniniwala ako na tayong mga Pilipino ay mahalagang makaranas at makainom itong natural supplement na tinatawag na Transvera. Ito po ay galing sa fermented extract ng red wine na ginamitan ng technology sa ibang bansa. Naniniwala po ako na pag umiinom ka ng Transvera, may peace of mind ka. God bless po sa ating lahat.
Ang maganda sa programa ng Kairos World, bubuti na kalusugan mo. May babalik pa sa'yo na cashback rewards. Ano ito? Halimbawa, bumili ka ng family package, ginamit mo at gumaling ka, ikwento mo lang sa 4 mo na kaibigan na alam mong may problema din sa health, sample, si June, si Arnel, si Marie at si Eric, patinin lang sila ng health orientation or ipapanood mo itong video na to. Kapag nagustuhan, bibili din sila ng family package. Sa binili nila, meron kang makukuhang sukli kahit hindi naman ikaw ang nagbayad, ang tawag doon cashback reward. Meron kang matatanggap na 10,000 pesos cash. Ang gagawin din nung 4 na tao, magi-invite din sila ng mga kakilala nila na tiga-4, and pag bumili din sila ng family package, meron silang sukli. Pero ikaw, meron ka din matatanggap na sukli na 4,800. Maganda or magandang-maganda. Ngayon yung mga bagong bumili, magi-invite din sila sa mga online seminar natin. At kapag yung mga bagong invite ay bumili din, meron silang sukli. Ganon din si June, Arnel, Marie at Eric, pati ikaw meron ding matatanggap na 12,800 cashback reward. Kung halimbawa nangyari ito sa loob ng 6 hanggang 8 buwan, kumita ka na sa cashback ng total of 27,600. Hindi na masama. Ang maganda nito, meron pa tayong Blaze program kung saan bawat level na nabubuo mo na tig-4 meron corresponding na cash reward din. 2,000 sa first level, 4,000 sa second level at 10,000 sa third level na ang total ay 16,000. Pag i-add mo yan sa 27,600 ang total na cashback mo ay aabot ng 43,600 in 6 to 8 months time. Kaya napakalaking benepisyo ang pagsali sa programa. Bumuti na ang health mo, kumita ka pa ng pera. Bawat produkto na bibilhin ng paisa-isa ay entitled ka na sa discount at bawat product ay meron din corresponding cashback. Kagaya ng Transvera 50s, may cashback na 15 pesos, Transvera 30s, at Relaxamine ay 12 pesos. Ang Calgai Prime ay 5 pesos, ang Kairos Life Stem Cell ay 25 pesos, at ang MG Plus ay 5 pesos. Bawat barya sa mga binibiling paisa isang produkto ay iniipon every month at papasok ito sa panibagong cashback program na ang tawag Loyalty Cashback Rewards, kung saan hanggang 10 level pwede kang kumita. Mas madaming tao ang bumibili, mas malaki ang rewards na matatanggap mo. Kung tignan natin sa 6 na level pa lang kung meron 3,125 na bumibili ng paisa isa buwan-buwan, under your organization may sure cashback ka ng 46,875. Malaking tulong na yan. Ngayon kung hindi mo kayang bumili ng family package na 12,888, pwede mo pa din naman ma-enjoy ang benepisyo ng diskwento. Sa murang halaga na starter package, may enjoy mo na ang ilang sa mga pribilehiyo ng Kairos World. Muli, patuloy natin palaganapin ang awareness, hindi lang sa kalusugan kasama na ang mental, emotional at financial. Maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik sa Kairos World.